Hello, viewers. Welcome to this session. Good morning, everybody. I am going to talk about Heart of Darkness as an autobiographical novel. Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad is an autobiographical novel. An autobiographical novel is a novel that gives an account of the life of the author, the writer, the novelist. There are many novels in English literature which belong to this type of novels. I would like to give a few examples. David Copperfield by Charles Dickens is an autobiographical novel. Joseph Conrad went to Congo in 1890. He spent some time on the sea steamboat as a captain. There was a relative, aunt of Joseph Conrad, who provided the job of captain on a steamboat with her influence. Joseph Conrad had unpleasant experiences there. The novel deals with the life of Joseph Conrad and the experiences of the author in Heart of Darkness. Charles Marlowe is none but Joseph Conrad. He stands for Joseph Conrad in the novel. He goes on a sea voyage on the Thames to Congo with some of his friends on the deck. Marlowe tells a story to his friends on the deck of the steamboat. In reality, Joseph Conrad writes a personal record and Congo Diary, in which he describes his experiences, and all these experiences are the base of Heart of Darkness. Joseph Conrad goes there and he meets Mr. Klein. He is the agent of a trading company. Joseph Conrad goes to help the ailing agent, Klein. In the novel, Marlowe also helps Mr. Kurz in the novel. Marlowe goes to the 3 stations in the Congo: the outer station, the central station, and the inner station. He comes across many European traders there. Marlowe finds that the European traders do nothing there, but they plan, conspire, pull leg of one another. Joseph Conrad too has unpleasant experiences on his journey, on his sea voyage to Congo. In the novel, there is much similarity between Joseph Conrad and Mr. Charles Marlowe. Then there is much similarity between Mr. Klein and Mr. Kurz, who is an agent there. So, it is proper and it is correct to say that Heart of Darkness is a record of the experiences and life of Joseph Conrad himself. Joseph Conrad has written himself that Heart of Darkness is an account of his own experiences in the course of his visit to Congo. The manager of the central station conspires and plans against Mr. Kurz. Though they appreciate the good work of Mr. Kurz, but they pull his leg, they contrive, they conspire against Mr. Kurz. So, it is very correct to say that Heart of Darkness is an autobiographical novel, just as Mr. David Copperfield represents Charles Dickens in David Copperfield. In the same way, Charles Marlowe stands for Joseph Conrad. But there are some dissimilarities between Marlowe and Joseph Conrad also. Joseph Conrad has enthusiasm, expectation on the sea voyage. He dreamed of his will, of his ideas that he had in his boyhood. On the contrary, Charles Marlowe has frustration, disappointment, a skepticism, doubt from the beginning of his journey to the end. Similarly, there are differences between Mr. Kurz and Mr. Klein. Mr. Kurz is a good man. Joseph Conrad does not speak ill of Mr. Klein. But Marlowe speaks ill about Mr. Kurz. So, there are similarities between them and dissimilarities too. To conclude, Heart of Darkness is a record of the life and experiences of Joseph Conrad. It is in fact an indictment against European imperialism in Europe, in Africa and elsewhere in the world. Thanks for watching.